Friends, welcome to our channel Knowledge Amplifier, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss how to subtract two images. Okay, so in my previous video I have shown you addition of two images where we have seen if we want to superimpose one image on other, like previously what we have done, we have superimposed the cameraman.tif image with the rise.png image present in MATLAB database. Okay, now let us do subtraction. That is nothing but element by element, pixel by pixel intensity level subtraction will be there. Code is quite simple. CLC clear all, close all, warning off. X equal to imread 1 comma jpg, y equal to imread capture comma jpg. I am reading two image. Remember that two images must be of same size, so I am taking the size of x and then I am resizing my second image with respect to first image. Okay, that is I am resize y comma g of 1 comma g of 2. All right, then figure I am show title first image, figure I am show y second image, and then figure I am show x minus y, that is subtraction result, and title is difference of two images. Okay, now in your childhood you have played one game. I am sure that you have at least once played in your life, that is spot the difference in between two image. Okay, like let me just show you. I am show x and here figure, and here also I will write I am show y. Okay, see these two images, there are some difference in between these two images, but at a glance it is hard to detect. Okay, so these are the two images. Okay, now you need to spot the difference. Okay, so what you can do, using this simple MATLAB code you can easily spot the difference. You may ask why? Because we are subtracting two images, that means whatever difference will come in between these two images, that will be highlighted. Okay, and using that we can easily spot the difference. Obviously many place where there is no difference in between these two images, that will also be highlighted, because here I have not taken two images of same size, I have to resize that. So as a result, due to little bit pixel change, you will get some place where there is similarity, but then also you will, that will come up at the difference result, but we can ignore that. We will be considering those parts only which is having higher intensity. Okay, now for the time being let me just remove this imshow part, and if I run Ctrl A and then evaluate selection, I will be having this particular beautiful output. Okay, slowly by slowly we will detect the changes. Okay, and it will be surely interesting. This kind of game many time at least I have played in my childhood. So this is my first image and this is my second image, and this is my output image, which is the difference of our first and second image. Okay, now let us spot the difference one by one. First of all, the most highlighted part which we can see here. So let us see, in our second image here there is one tree which is not present in our first image, right? Then next part which is clearly highlighted, this particular flower. Let us see, in the first image there is this flower, whereas here no flower is present. Okay, then in this particular part here white color spot is detected. Let us check. See, this is our first image where in this particular part no spot was there, but in the second image here in this particular part spot is present. All right, then here this particular cat part is highlighted. So see, in the second image the cat is not present, whereas in the first image cat is present, right? Then see, here something is highlighted. Let us check. See, the dog in the first image is moving to the right, having the face in the right hand side, but the dog in the second image having the face in the left hand side. So this is the difference. Then here this particular part is highlighted, the tail of the dog. Let us check. In the first image there is the tail present in the dog, and here in the second image no tail. Okay, then some more highlighted part we can see. See, this particular part is greenish, more intense than other places. So you can see that in the second image the dog's tongue is outside, but in the first image it is not like that, right? Similarly, some more differences if you want to spot. See here, in this dog image there is some blue part which is highlighted, okay, compared to other parts, okay. And if you compare the first image, the dog is smiling, teeth are coming outside, but here it is not like that. So this is also difference, okay. So these are the some useful operation on of images which are quite simple, just simple subtraction, simple addition, like those arithmetic operation, but we can play with that, and that is very interesting, okay. So this is one kind of interesting application of image subtraction, that is you can spot the difference in between two images, okay. Another very important application in modern days, okay, Google images taken from satellite 2003, same place image is taken at 2010. So what is the difference in between the year 2003 image and 2010 image? If you want to spot, then you can apply subtraction. For ignoring the minute details, you can apply again thresholding, that is if the difference of intensity level is exceeding this particular threshold, then only it will show in the output, otherwise not. So like that advanced operation also can be performed, okay. So think, apply in your project this simple application, you will find this domain very interesting. And this is all for my this video. Same code will be posted in the description box, if you want you can check there. And in MATLAB imsubtract function is present. What it will do, same like this one, that is if somewhere due to subtraction result intensity level goes below 0, as in case of unsigned integer it is not possible to have negative value, it will map to 0, okay. Here also it will happen the same, because here we have not typecasted the images to double, so it will follow unsigned integer arithmetic only. But you can use imsubtract also and have a try. So if you want to explore the imsubtract, you can check the link I will be posting in the description, right. So thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment. Subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed till now. Thank you.